Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and when they put an outline around it, they get the line that they use to stop the interactive fill tool. So, how to get rid of that line? Pretty easy. Make a duplicate of that and move it over. Take away the outline on this one. Well, let's just take the fill and move the fill out of the way. Well, there's still a line there. Okay, this has no lines. There's no lines. So what we can do now is, now that we've gotten rid of that line, we can take this line and make it thicker to whatever thickness we want. And then we can just nudge it over and probably go to object order, front of page, make it stand out a little bit. So now that line has disappeared. It's a pretty good trick to put a line so you don't have to interactive fill tool the whole side where it looks like this ribbon is going behind. So the best way to get rid of it is just to have one with no fill, or no outline, right click, no outline. This will even be better, and then move that over. So just have two copies. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.